Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy titles in Fruit Battlegrounds. First, let's dive into understanding the title system. Titles are a great way to show off your achievements and dedication. We'll cover which game modes are most efficient for earning them and how to leverage your character's unique abilities. By following these simple steps, you'll be racking up new titles in no time, boosting your profile and impressing your friends. For optimal title farming, focus on King of the Hill and Team Deathmatch. King of the Hill offers steady points for holding objectives, often yielding 5 to 10 points per capture. In Team Deathmatch, aim for at least 10 eliminations per round to maximize combat-related titles. Remember, securing objectives often grants more title progress than simply getting many eliminations, so prioritize wisely for quicker results. Selecting the right character and fruit is crucial. Opt for fruits with powerful area of effect abilities, like the magma or light fruit, which can hit multiple enemies, earning you more combat points. Characters with high base damage or quick cooldowns are also excellent choices. Coordinating with your team, perhaps by setting up 3-person pushes on objectives, can significantly increase your assist count and overall title progress. To truly maximize your title gains, consistency is key. Playing with a consistent group of 2 or 3 friends can drastically improve your win rate and objective control. Always complete your daily and weekly challenges, as these often provide bonus title points or experience. Dedicate specific play sessions, perhaps for 1 or 2 hours, solely to title farming in the recommended modes for the most efficient progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.